What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. We're going to be talking about if you can actually make money trading crypto on your iPhone. All right, so I've been trading cryptocurrency now for the last 2 years. I've done somewhere around like $20,000 worth of trades, and this year alone, I'm up around $4,000 doing it. Now, I've had a strategy to this point in how I've been, doing this whole thing. I will be recommending 2 different apps you check out, and I'll have a course link in the description if you want to learn more about trading crypto in general. Now, in order to do all this, you need to have a wallet. Basically, having a wallet is like your PayPal account that you can, transfer money in and out of to a checking account. And the wallet that I've been using is Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is awesome for a few different reasons, and I've mentioned this in previous videos. They insure your money up to $250,000, which is a lot. There's over 20 million people using this. It's safe, it's secure, and, it's what I started with, and I've had no issues up to this point. Now, I really just use this as a wallet, but you can also do some trading on here. They've got some of the major cryptos like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and they will be adding more in the future. The downside to trading on here and like buying different coins is that you don't have many options, right? So my recommendation would be to literally just use Coinbase as a wallet. You can connect your checking account to it. It's very easy, and then you can start getting money in and out of this account once you're, doing some trades. Now, I do like to show every time I do this that I've actively been trading. You can see some of my withdrawals here: 1,100, 2,900, 500, 400, 2,000. Just to show you that I've actively done this, and you can see the withdrawals, going, obviously into, my checking account. So, anyways, it's very easy. Another feature on here is alerts, which I'm not going to get into, but, Coinbase, just use it as a wallet. Stay away from the trading portion for right now until they add more coins, because they really don't have a lot of options. Now, once you have your Coinbase set up, right, your digital wallet here, you're going to want to go to an app and sign up for an app called Binance. Now, Binance is ridiculous. It's awesome. It is the #1 crypto exchange in the world. There's over 100 different coins you can trade on here. If you're familiar with stock trading at all, you'll feel right at home with this. This is very comparable to like the Robinhood app. But it's more analytical, so, it's only been out for a short amount of time, but it's already like, so good. Okay, anyways, basically how this app works is you can just, scroll through, check out different price movements in the last 24 hours. Wow, you can see a big 10% jump here on that one. But, you can check by, the price change on these coins in the last 24 hours, so you can go from the down to the up. You can check out the last price, so it'll pull up, like Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and then you'll start seeing some other coins that you're not so familiar with. You've got like Ripple, Neo, IOTA, some more, and then you can also search by the name on here and the volume, which is actually really cool too. Being able to check the volume and sort out like this is actually really powerful. If you've ever traded before, you want to see what's being bought and sold a lot. It really just helps you get an idea of if you want to get into that or whatnot. So my strategy basically for buying these coins on Binance, I like to hold them. I don't like trade these very frequently. So if I buy something, I typically hold it for, a few weeks or even a few months, just because I think maybe it'll go up, based on news or what's going on in the world. You know what I'm saying? So you got to do your research if you're looking at buying any of these coins, and you got to know that anything can happen. That's how it goes with trading. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But, over time, after you've made losses, you typically get better at it over time. That's just how it goes. You kind of have to lose in order to learn. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, let's pull up Neo here. So Neo is one I've mentioned that I'm thinking about buying and putting a bunch of money into. You can pull up different graphs for all of these coins. So it does the green and red candlesticks on here. So you can see like what's happening with the buying and selling that's actually going on in real time. It's actually really cool. So you've got like a minute graph. You could do a week graph, and you can actually like scroll through these graphs too. So let me switch this up a little bit. So you can actually scroll the graphs. How cool is that? So you can see like what's going on I mean, it's pretty analytical. It's pretty crazy. And the fact that you can just do this on your phone and this app just looks so good. It's very powerful. Anyways, if you wanted to buy some NEO, you would just click buy here, type in the amount, whatever your currency is, USD, you want to buy whatever, I'll put in a ridiculous amount there. But anyways, you get the idea here. If you want to make a trade, you could buy it. And then at the same time, once the trade is made, it's pretty much instant. So then you'd own that coin, and then you could wait to see if it goes up a few percent. If it goes down, try not to freak out. You can still hold it, and then you can sell it later for a profit. Now, once you've made the sale, you can then take your money from Binance, switch it back over into your Coinbase account, and then cash it out into your checking account. Now, that is how the game works, guys. So basically, this has been my strategy. Like I said, Binance, in my opinion, and I think the rest of the world's opinion right now, is the #1 exchange for trading all of these different crypto coins. And, it's very powerful stuff. You can literally just do all this on your phone, which is awesome. So anyways, I think right now is a great time to get into the crypto thing because, we're heading into the end of the year and then the beginning of next year, more people are going to continue getting into this stuff. So it's not going anywhere. And, it's obviously just continuing to blow up. So I definitely think it's a good time to, maybe try investing in some of this stuff. So anyways, Coinbase, Binance, you got to get both of them, but definitely sign up for Binance no matter what wallet you're using. Also, leave a link in the description for a really good crypto course you can take to learn a little bit more. Please hit that like and share button below. Thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see y'all later.